What's up everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add blocks or edit your WordPress website with blocks using Elementor. So first of all, here I'm on my WordPress admin dashboard, and the first thing you need to do here is install Elementor. I've already installed it, however if you haven't, go to plugins here, click on add new plugin, and then search for Elementor, hit enter. And this is the Elementor plugin that you need to install. Here it only needs some update because I already installed it. If you haven't installed it, go ahead and install it and then activate it. And once you have, just go to the Elementor here and then click on it. And let's create a page. Of course, you can edit existing pages. However, I'll just go ahead and create a new page with Elementor quickly. And then go ahead and you can see this folder icon here. Click on it. And you'll access the blocks. So you can enter or you can add blocks. So these are pre-made elements such as like a footer, header, a main body, or others. And you can, let's say I need to, or I like this one. However, it's Pro here, so you need Elementor Pro. So we will go ahead and see if one is free and then add it. So this is free, insert it. Okay, connect to template library, get started. And then you need to sign in with Elementor or sign up. However, this is the steps you need to do. So this is how you access the blocks library and add them to your Elementor WordPress web page.